Add controls to Excel using the mandatory sections in the simplified loader template. The mandatory sections feature allows the administrator to define required sections. Mandatory sections need to be defined for each operation individually. Navigate to the Admin panel in the Excel template to set up mandatory sections. In the Admin panel, refer to the Controls section. For this demo, I will define a few mandatory sections for the Create Invoice operation. Select the Mandatory Sections feature and the operation Create Invoice. The configure instructions are displayed in the field. For better readability, copy and paste the instructions into a notepad. So far in the demo, we looked at how to view instructions to set up a mandatory section. In the next step of the demo, I will configure the mandatory sections for the Create Invoice operation. Navigate to the About sheet to set up mandatory sections. After column P, I will insert a column for mandatory sections. Enter the column name in column Q as Mandatory Sections, Create Invoice. To define a mandatory section, enter Y in the About sheet against the section you wish to make mandatory. Marking any one field of a section as mandatory makes the entire section mandatory. I will mark the header, line, and distribution sections as mandatory. In the next part of the demo, I will enter data in the data sheet and perform the Create Invoice operation. For this demo, I entered the details of 4 invoices. 2 out of these 4 invoices have incorrect data input. For invoice sections Demo 2, no values are entered in the distribution section. For invoice sections Demo 3, no values are entered in the line section. I will now upload all 4 invoices. Notice that the 2 invoices failed. The error message on sections Demo 2 is related to the missing distribution section. Similarly, sections Demo 3 failed because of the missing line section. Please note that the controls defined by the mandatory sections are validated before sending details to Oracle Fusion for processing.